Today, you have a fleet of vehicles for your employees' travel needs. It is expensive and managing kilometric allowances can be time-consuming. Discover Citiz, a network of self-service cars available around the clock for an hour or a day. A solution to optimize your costs and simplify your financial administration. With Citiz, you choose the car best suited to your travel needs. The cars are self-service, available from dedicated stations where you park when you return. You can even combine train travel with Citiz, as over 60 train stations and over 90 cities in France are covered by Citiz network. You are billed monthly, and you only pay for the vehicles you actually used. Management, fuel, insurance, maintenance, dedicated parking spaces, and round-the-clock support are included. Citiz, the mobility solution for every business. To find out more, visit us on www.citiz.fr.